Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a great day and want to bring you a quick video that is about Flashbots. If you trade crypto on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, for example, then you're going to find this video pretty interesting because it's going to do some good things for you. So hopefully you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions during it. And we're going to talk about Flashbots protection and what is it and why you need it and how to install it. So to get in, what is Flashbots protection? So Flashbots is a research and development organization, and basically they are formed to mitigate or get rid of maximum extractable value to stateful blockchains, starting with Ethereum. Ethereum has a 12-minute block. That's how long it takes it to complete. And Flashbots protect you on there by hiding the information of your transaction. So what does that actually mean? So it protects you by hiding this transaction that the bots can't see it. If the bots can't see it, they can't manipulate things. And to get into more about why you need it, so it hides your transaction until the block completes. You save yourself from being front run or sandwiched, and you stop paying premiums on your transactions, and you prevent your favorite projects from price manipulation, and you prevent jaredfromsubway.eth from making money off you. And I'm going to get into that a little bit more and kind of show some examples, and then we'll go into how you install it. So let me pull that up. So this is Flashbots right here, and you get to it by just going to flashbots.net. You can see all the different things they have here. There's a few different things. The one I'm using is Flashbots Protect, and we'll get in on how to install that here in a minute. I'm going to see if I can show you an example real quick of what happens with Flashbots. This is a little project, meme project that I've been trading and buying and hold a decent amount of, called Bambi. They actually have launching a game soon and some NFTs, so it's kind of cool if you want to get into it. Not financial advice, by the way. So I'm going to find a Jared from Subway order right here. You see these little red icons here, and you can see somebody put in an order to sell half an ETH worth of BAM. Well, they didn't use Flashbots to protect themselves. And oh, by the way, this is dextools.io if you're not aware of it, where I can watch coins. You can see that Jared's bot saw it and went in front of this half an ETH sell and sold 1.5 or almost 1.6 ETH worth of the coins before this person could. So if the bot wouldn't have seen it, you can see over here, the bot sold at 1893. So the person that sold the 0.5 ETH actually ended up selling at 1844. So got a lower price for their coins because they didn't protect themselves. And in this situation, that's about 2.5%, 3%. When you're talking higher end money, that can be quite a bit. I'm going to see if I can find an example where it's even more. But then you can see the bot immediately bought back in and pushed the price to 1840 or 1880. So it got, Jared made some money off this, a little bit of money. Yes, he paid higher fees, but he made some money off of it, trust me. So instead of the price being after you sold your half ETH somewhere around 19, it actually drops to 1900. It actually dropped to 1880 even after he bought back in. So he keeps manipulating the price. Let's see if we can find a bigger one. You can see this happens all the time. Okay. So right here, he sold 4.4 ETH worth at 2092 and forced this person who sold 0.6 ETH roughly to sell at 1974. Just ridiculous. And then he just bought back in. So he's manipulating the price. He's making money off you, and he's costing you money. So I would suggest if you trade at all on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or any of the others, that you look at protecting yourself. So let's kind of get into how you protect yourself. let me go back to Flashbots. So obviously you're going to have your MetaMask open and you're going to go to Flashbots Protect and you're going to get here and it's going to say connect wallet to protect. This is the easiest way to do it. You just click it and it automatically opens up your MetaMask and will add the information in there. And it works, you know how you have multiple, let's see, networks. You can see it will just say Flashbots Protect Mainnet. Now there are advanced options where you can go in here and put any of that. I don't do any of that. This is by far the easiest way to do it. I will, in the description, I will put what you would type in if you want to use that instead of clicking the connect wallet. But honestly, this is the easiest way. That's what I did. And so now I'm going to go and actually do a transaction with Bambi and show you. I'm going to buy it and we're going to go back and look. So currently 1 ETH is going to be this amount. We'll just leave it at that. It's about 90 billion, I believe. So I am going to buy it. And you saw that you have to make sure that in your MetaMask you are connected to the Flashbots one. That's the network you're using. So I'm going to click swap. Now I always increase my gas fees. Currently it's 20.61. I'm going to increase it just a little bit because I want to make sure that it goes through. So I'm actually going to take this to 115 and we'll take this to 0.2. And I'm still not really, you're not going to pay a bunch of extra. It's just you're protecting yourself by trying to make it go through quicker. So let's go look and see if my transaction has gone in. So it hasn't gone through yet, but we will keep an eye on it. I'm actually going to pause the video and then I'll bring it back as soon as it goes through and we'll get in there. Okay, we are back and my transaction has gone through. You can see there's my 1 ETH and you don't see me getting sandwiched. I paid $19.94 for it. So Jared wasn't able to spot mine and sandwich it and possibly make me pay 5 to 10% more. I've seen it sometimes increase that much. It's just stupid. And protected myself at the same time. So please make sure you protect yourself on this. I can tell you the only issues that I have had was occasionally it takes a while for the transaction to go through. So if you put it through on normal gas fees, you're not going to get through. There's just too much going on and can be too much slippage during that time because you're holding off. So you got to keep in mind that whatever the price is right now, like you see it's $19.94. If the block closes 10 minutes from now, is it still going to be at that price? So that's why you want to try to front run it as much as possible by adding in a little extra fees to it. We can look and see what I paid for it. Oh, here, we can go right here. Let's see, where's the transaction? Thought the transaction was there. Maybe it's not. So I ended up paying $16.25 in fees, even though I did increase it on there. So hopefully that helps you all out. You understand how to protect yourselves and go buy little Bambi. Thanks.